kitchen of my new apartment. So yeah, right now I'm just doing dishes because we made some mac and cheese for dinner. So I'm just going to clean that up, and I'm going to probably just do a dishes time lapse. I'm also going to do a apartment tour tonight, but I have to clean my room first because my room's a big mess. So be on the lookout for that, but I'm going to film a dishes time lapse. So now I gotta clean my countertop, so I left the cupboard open. Now I gotta clean my countertops, so I'll just show you what I use if I can find it. The boys put things away in the wrong spots, so I just use this Spick and Span all-purpose cleaner in Wild Lavender, and then I use these handy dandy paper towels. So I'm going to clean my countertops, and I will do a time lapse of me just cleaning my countertops and my stove and everything. So yeah. So I'm in my laundry area, which is like my kitchen's right there, and then my laundry's right across. So there's no good place to put you guys down, but I'm just starting a load of laundry. So on my washer, you have to fill the thing before you can do anything. So I'm just gonna wait for that to fill for a couple seconds, and then I'll eventually just put the detergent in, and then the clothes. Cause I have a top load. I'll show you. Probably can't hear me, so I'm gonna go over here. I have a top load washer, so I have to fill it, then I put the detergent in, and then I put the clothes in, and then I let it run. It runs for about 30 minutes. I don't know. It runs for about 30 minutes, I think. And then my dryer takes a long time. My dryer takes like 60 minutes, which kind of sucks because usually we don't have a lot of clothes. But I think it's ready for detergent. Now I just have the pile of clothes right here. I'm just gonna throw them on in. And then let it wash. I washed about 2 loads of laundry today. That's because a lot of my laundry didn't get done before I left. And this one is all my boyfriend's clothes, so I'm a good girlfriend. So now I'm just going in to our bedroom, which is a mess. It's literally a mess in here, but I have to clean up all these bags down here. I have to clean that, and the window's like wide open, so I'm gonna close that. The boys won't be home for 5 hours, I think. So it's 6:19 right now. They won't be home until 1. So it's 6:19 in the night, p.m. 6:19 p.m. They won't be home till 1 a.m. So I'm just chilling. I think I'm just gonna unpack and then probably just chill for a little bit. But the funny thing about our bedroom is the only light we have is in our walk-in closet. We don't have like a light out here, so we need to go get a lamp tomorrow, but we've been spending so much money just getting everything for the apartment. But we currently have just this bed. It's just an air mattress. But I should, I think I'm gonna film a apartment tour tonight, so yeah, it should be part of this vlog. But I'm gonna go finish this and then hopefully I can chill tonight. So I'm doing my apartment tour, so when you walk in, this is the door. It's just a blank door. And then this is our living room. We have our TV and our DVD player. All our movies are right there. And then we have our sound system right here. And then out there is our patio and then our heater. We have no furniture right now because it's all coming tomorrow. And then here's our dining room, and we'll have a table tomorrow. And then right here there's these 2 closets. That's where our laundry is. And then we have our kitchen. So everything in here is no appliances. So we have our fridge, and then our sink, and then we have our dish soap and stuff. That one's broken actually, so I have to take that box out. We have a dishwasher, and then that's my roommate's. Then we have our stove, and then we have a microwave, and then over here we just have all our stuff right here. And then in this one is where we store like our keys and stuff. And we have knives in there. And then we have utensils in here and in here. And then our plates and stuff are in these 2. And then our food's in all of these. So, yeah. And then when you walk out of the kitchen, this is my roommate's room. This is my room. We'll go in there in just a second. There's a closet right here. And then there's the bathroom. I'm not going to show the bathroom on camera because it's a little bit of a mess right now. But I just cleaned my room, so. So when you walk into my room, you walk in through that door. And then there's the light switch. And then our closet. And then I just put all our shoes right there. Our bed, we're currently sleeping on an air mattress, but we're planning to get a bed. There's just a few things over there. And then on the floor I have my phone charger cord thing, and then my diffuser, which I haven't plugged in yet, but yeah. And then we just have our like heater thing right there. And then you're back to the door. So that's our apartment.